Hey there. So this holiday season, we're going to do something special, but I need your help on it. I'm going to give a little tribute and homage to our great state of Wisconsin and would love for you to help me out. I got it started, but like I said, I need your input on what comes next. Wisconsin lovers, Wisconsinites calling you to help and collaborate with me on this new song. And who knows, maybe it'll turn out to be something.
Cold front coming off Superior. Mama taught me layers in the fall. Brandy old fashioned at the supper club while the Packers play on the wall. Friday fish wrapped up in newspaper. Church bells in the parking lot light. Everybody knows your grandma's name, and nobody ever says goodbye. It's a Wisconsin kind of love. Quiet arch, but we show up. Away from the boards and sold the door too long. Say sorry when it's not our fault. Bare feet out in the north dark. Sun goes down, but the lights stay on. It ain't loud, but it's enough. That Wisconsin kind of love.